What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, the crypto universe. Today is Sunday, December 17th. In today's video, we have an emergency video regarding the Bonk token. Have you noticed over the past 24 hours that the token is now up 16%? Well, there's a reason for that, and I've been trying to inform everybody around what's happening with Bonk. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you what we are expecting in the charting and analysis around this token. And also, we're going to share with you what our predictions were that we saw that this was just a slight retracement to the downside. This is completely normal, and I will go into more details on what that's all about in this video. And it's so good that you have subscribed to this channel because you get to stay up to date with everything happening with Bonk. So with that said, as always, I want you to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys, girls, let's get right into it. So in yesterday's video, I covered the Bonk token, and we were down. We were almost down to around 0.000019. That's how low we actually did go, and which was right around this peak right here. And we were roughly around a 1.3 billion market cap. But all of a sudden, we just have another billion flowing into the Bonk token all of a sudden. And I've been trying to warn people about this. But another thing I want to share with people before we go into the charting and analysis is some up-to-date news of what's going on with the token, such as that since this token's gone up 16%, look at the cryptocurrency market. It's in the red. The reason I'm sharing this with you is because the Bonk token is doing what meme coins do. They rally for no reason. Why? Because mainly it's a community thing. It's all about having fun. And some people, like say for instance Crypto Banter, who's another YouTube influencer, he said that Bonk had done 200x in the past 2 months. Now, is this the beginning or the end? So let's go and talk about if this is the beginning or the end. Because again, we do have TradingView who created this article talking about the Bonk token, right? So TradingView shared an article by Bitcoin.com, which is a reputable news source, saying that it's outpacing one of the more popular meme coins called Pepe, around a 621% in surge, making it the third largest meme coin out there. What's great about this article is that it introduced that in December 25th of 2022, the market cap of this actual token is roughly around $1.21 million. And you think to yourself at that moment, there's no way this meme coin will ever reach into the billions or even hundreds of millions. Yet it did within a span of 2 months. And now we're hovering around $1.4 billion. That's how meme coins work. So I'm not going to waste any time. Where is this token going? So as you can see here, we saw that this token did a retracement like we talk about in all of our videos, that we needed to expect this retracement. And guess what? We bounced off of the EMA ribbon, which is this right here. And now we're seeing another large green candlestick. Again, I keep talking about this in our videos. We're not seeing enough sell pressure right here. Look at the sell pressure. It's very minimal compared to the buy pressure. And so right now there are people who possibly bought in right around here and are taking profits. And that's okay. I know a few of my people that have ended up taking profits, but they're leaving a certain amount in. If you want to know how much that is, you have to subscribe to our Patreon page down the link below. And now we're bouncing off of this EMA ribbon. So you must be wondering, well, Vincent, where are we going to go next? Well, again, this is not a prediction. This is just by charting and analysis. Right now, we're above the EMA ribbon, and also we're above the 50% Fibonacci retracement. If we fall below that 50% Fibonacci retracement, that would be its support level and would drop as low to around 0.000013. So keep that in mind. So the price that I could actually go to in this next bull rally, believe it or not, is all the way up here to around 5.5, right? So keep that in mind. This is where it's kind of projected to be in this next bull cycle if it does tend to see more liquidity flowing into this token. And this is on the 4-hourly time frame, but guess what? If I switch it to the daily time frame, there are no red candles, as you can see here. In fact, we're only seeing minimal retracement. So keep this in mind. The reason this is important is because you have to look at sometimes the broader scope, and then you have to zoom into the 4-hourly time frame to see how the price volatility is. So when you look at the RSI, which is the relative strength index, it has always continued to be in an uptrend, meaning there is always activity, renewed activity within this token. So that's why I want to share this with you. And I brought this up on our Patreon page. And the reason I brought this up is because people were asking me, is Bonk dead? Is it going to zero? And I shared this with my members around how this is crazy. When you look at the actual charting analysis, it actually hasn't pulled back that much. So don't fall for when people say it's going to zero or sell everything now. Those are what we call emotional traders. So what's the difference? The difference is If you're not having fun, then you're an emotional trader. If you're not having fun in investing in these meme coins, then you're overexposed. That means you've bet too much and you're now becoming an emotional trader. You have to figure out what's a comfortable entry point, a comfortable amount of funds that you feel will not damage you and put you out of business, put you in debt, or make sure that you spend all your savings. Don't do any of those things. You have to spend responsibly. So only have a little bit of exposure if you do want to take on that risk. Because again, this is a meme coin. They very much don't have a lot of utility. It's all about people, all about community pushing the coin to flip a certain market cap. And what is that market cap? That's going to be flipping Shiba Inu. Again, it's the third largest meme coin out there. It's the only meme coin that's in green right now. Look at it. Over the past 7 days, 100%. Over the past 24 hours, 17%. Over the past hour, 3.27%. So you have to do your own research, because we just officially, at the time of this recording, reached $1.5 billion again. So that's why it's always good to stay in tune. Most importantly, to stay subscribed to our channel to stay up to date what's going on with Bonk. So one of our members asked me a really great question. He says, thanks for the great info. Is it fair to say that if Bonk, the 1 billion market cap, reaches around 6 billion, which is the Shiba Inu price market cap? So if you want to know how much Bonk tokens you need, or how much US dollars you're going to need to invest in order to see substantial gains to reach the 5 or even $6 billion market cap of Shiba Inu, well, let me know down in the comments below, and I will create a document and I will share it with our Patreon members, but I'll also most likely share it with you guys and girls on YouTube as well if you want to see it. So make sure to comment down below. So as a conclusion and statement, how do I feel around the Bonk token? Well, consider this. The Bonk token is on Solana. If you want to buy, sell, or trade this token, especially during volatile times, like say for instance the Bonk token reaches $5 billion market cap and you're trying to take your profits, well, guess what? The Solana network allows you to have fast transaction fees, which is literally less than a penny. And the transactions are fast. Compare that to Dogecoin, which is on the BNB Smart Chain, or Shiba Inu, that's on the Ethereum network. If you were to sell those tokens on those blockchains, those fees, those gas fees, would be substantially really high. I mean, BNB is a little bit cheaper because it's kind of close to, it's not really that close to Solana. But again, if you have Shiba Inu in your MetaMask wallet and you're trying to take profits, well, that gas fee is going to be a lot. And some people just want to have these tokens on exchanges such as Coinbase, Binance. But again, those fees are quite hefty. So keep in mind, right now as I'm recording, this token is now up 19%. But if you want to stay up to date every single day of what's going on with the Bonk token, you need to hit the subscribe button to stay notified on a timely basis on where we are going. So again, if you enjoyed what you've seen, what you've heard, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Most importantly, join our Patreon page down in the link below. You will get all the notifications within Bonk, our personal trades, and everything within the Bonk ecosystem. Until then, I'll see you guys girls next time.